What is up all you beautiful people on the interwebs? I'm Redrix and this is just a quick tutorial on how to change your PSN name. Now, well, first and foremost, good morning. I've woke up to see that I've got, sorry if my voice is I just woke up like 30 minutes ago, getting ready for work and so on, but I woke up to see that I've got like 600 new subscribers, hitting another milestone of 4,000 subscribers. So thank you to each and every one of you. As I said, this is a quick tutorial on how to change your PSN name, and there's some disclaimers and so on. I'll get into that in a bit. So this will be I think it's going to be a short video. I'm not too sure about that yet. But this goes to all of you who said that my previous video, it is clickbait, the PSN name is not here, yada yada yada, it's not here, you are fake, and so on. And I see another fellow YouTubers get the same hate on their video for just saying PlayStation announced it coming yesterday, and the US got it yesterday, and today later on the UK will get it or something like that. But here in Denmark we already got the option for it. So if you for example have it on the app, I've got the PlayStation app right here, and then if I go to my profile, you can see this is the menu and this is my profile. I'll try to have a screenshot right here, and then you can just go to edit profile with more profile settings, right? It's not fake. I can't edit this. Come on, it's loading. So there you go. There's my name, Redrix YouTube. I'll take a screenshot. Redrix YouTube, and right beside my name it says edit. Now this will be in Danish, I think. No, this is in English. So read before changing your online ID. Not all games and applications for PS4, PS3, PS Vita and other PlayStation systems support the online ID change feature. If you change your online ID, you may lose access to content, including paid for content that you have acquired for your games, including content such as add-ons and virtual currency. 2. You may lose your progress within games, including game saved data, leaderboards data, and progress towards trophies. 3. Parts of your games and applications might not function properly, both online and offline. And 4. Your previous online ID may remain visible to you and other players in some places. I think it's something about games purchased before April 1st will have the old ID in afterwards. The new one, I'm not too sure. You can try that out and let me know down in the comments. And then you'll just accept it and continue. And now I can choose a random name to have as my new online ID. But as now I am very satisfied on my PlayStation name. It is simply just Redrix YouTube. If it were something else like Booty Call 101 or something, I would change it definitely. But I'm very satisfied with my name, so I'm not going to change it. Remember, the first time is for free. The second time you want to change it, it costs $9.99. But if you're a PS Plus member, it'll cost you $4.99. So there you go. It is not a fake news. It is true. You can change your PlayStation name today, right now, for some of you in the regions or something. So I just want to say a quick thank you again for 4,000 subscribers. If you like my channel and content, and it's still early in the morning, that's why I'm still so tired and so on. Be sure to hit the like button, smash the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel if you like to see some gaming related videos, live streams and so on. So until then, I'll see you again next time. Bye!